Hello dear students, in numerical methods of interpolations, today we will discuss the Bessel's central difference interpolation formula for unequal intervals. So this is lecture number 6. Bessel's central difference interpolation formula for unequal intervals is y of u equal to y0 plus del of y0 plus u minus 1 divided by factorial 2 del squared u of minus 1 del squared u of 0 divided by 2 plus u minus half of u minus 1 divided by factorial 3 del cube of y of minus 1 plus u square minus 1 u minus 2 divided by factorial 4 del to the power 4 y of minus 2 plus del to the power 4 of minus 1 divided by 2 plus dot dot dot, where u equal to x minus x0 divided by h. So this is the formula of Bessel's central difference interpolation formula for unequal roots. Now with the help of this formula, solve the problems given the following table. Find y of 35 by Bessel's formula. Here y is given 20, 30, 40, 50 and x is given 20, 30, 40 and 50 and y equal to 512, 439, 346 and 243. This is the x series and this is y's values. Now first of all, taking x0 equal to 30 as a origin, it's depend upon you. Either you choose as a origin 30 or 40. So we take x0 equal to 30 as a origin, and what is the h? H is the difference of the interval, that is 30 minus 20, that is 10. So h equal to 10. The required values of y is of x equal to 35. It is also given. So now evaluate u equal to x minus x0 divided by h. This is the formula to evaluate the value of u. Means u equal to x minus x0 divided by h. So what is x? X is 35. It is given. And what is x0? X0, we have taken the x0 as equal to 30. So put here 30. And what is h? H equal to 10. So it becomes 5 divided by 10. That means 0.5. Now after that, the difference table of the given data is, this is x series 20, 30, 40, 50 and here is u. U means first you point out the origin. With respect to origin, that means 0, and this is the label of the data, and above of 0, that is minus 1, and below of 0 is 1, 2, like that. Now y of u means 512, 439, 346, 243. Now del of yu means difference between these two value, as I have indicated by rho. This is minus 73, this is minus 93, this is minus 103. Again, difference between these two is denoted by del square yu. This is minus 23 and minus 10, and del cube of yu is 13. So this is the process to find the difference table of the given data. This is x, this is y of u. These two result you have given. First you define the value of y. First you put with respect to origin, that is 0. Above of 0 is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So only one value, that is minus 1, and below of 0 is denoted as 1, 2, 3, like that. So above of 0 we put here minus 1, and below of 0 is 1, 2, like this. So this is the values of u. Then with the help of Bessel's formula, initially I have indicated the formula y of u equal to y0 plus del of y0 plus u minus 1 divided by factorial 2 del square y of minus 1 del square y of 0 divided by 2 u minus half of u minus 1 divided by factorial 3 del cube of y of minus 1 u square minus 1 u minus 2 divided by factorial 4 del to the power 4 minus 2 plus del to the power 4 minus 1 divided by 2 plus dot dot dot. So this is the formula of Bessel's. Therefore, putting u equal to 0.5, we have already evaluated the value of u is 0.5 and all required values of del. After substituting the values, we get y of 0.5 equal to this 439 plus 0.5 minus 93 plus 0.5 of minus 0.5 divided by 2 minus 23 minus 10 divided by, this is factorial 2, that is 2 into 1, 0.5 0 minus 0.5 divided by factorial 3 means 3, factorial 3 can be written as 3 into 2 into 1 of 13, and after simplification we get the value is 394.5625 and it becomes 395 approximately. So this is the process to find the Bessel's central difference interpolation formula. Thank you.